Hey guys, so today I'm going to try to botch my way through this video. Hopefully I can get through. I got multiple cameras set up and phones, and so I'm going to try to get as in depth as I can on this video. So got the tractor here. I ordered one of those um, attachments that goes on the bucket, and I'll open it up here and show you guys here in a second. So it's one of the attachments that bolts on. I haven't looked at any way of how this goes on, so I'll probably do some drilling and bolting and whatnot. But anyhow, it goes on there. It's got the two hooks for like a chain or a rope or whatever you want to do with it. Plus, it has I believe, a receiver to where you can put like a hitch and a ball on if you wanted to pull a trailer around. So we'll get into it, get it opened up, and hope I don't screw this up too bad with all these cameras. So here we go. So I got this off Amazon a few weeks ago, and I just haven't had a chance to fool with it. Hope it didn't get wet. I hope it fits. Hope you're seeing this. At least the collar matches. I've seen a few of them that the collars don't even match the John Deere green. It might be a little different, but it looks pretty similar. It's even got bolts and stuff with it too. Keep this little thing. Maybe not. Yeah, it matches pretty good. Matches pretty good. So if I'm not mistaken, I believe it goes on something sort of like this. So we're going to have to mount it. If you guys can see, what you probably can't, I'll try to get a closer video of it here. So the way this works, I'm not 1,000% sure. Maybe it goes on like so. Nope, can't go on like that. So it'd have to go on like this, I would think. But you guys can see here, this matches up pretty good. This side over here doesn't match up. Reason being is I was pulling some logs in place, and I had some ropes and straps, and end up bending this bucket a little bit. I will hammer that out and get that flush to where it'll fit snug or fit tight. But that's the way I imagine it going on there, is like this. So it fit on there. I don't know if any of the holes line up, which it doesn't look like it does. There is some holes in the bucket, but it doesn't look like it matches up at all. So we'll have to get it measured up, get it centered, and get it drilled, and get it bolted on there. So I'll round up some tools and some different things, and we'll get rolling here. It's not going to work. Guys, I'm going to put this strap right over the bent place, and hopefully it'll suck it in enough to bend it back. I tried putting a block under it, but I couldn't keep the block in it. We'll try to keep it. I wish I could get something in behind it to bend it down. I don't cut my strap here. Bust me. Looks like it's doing it. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh. Guys, any ideas? Besides beating the crap out of it with a hammer, which I really don't want to. We can try it. It looks working pretty good, I believe. It's a lot better than what it was, that's for sure. Man, I wish those holes would line up where you could get it on there. Pretty close anyway. So got a hump right there. That's a lot better. Yep, that's fitting flush now. That looks good. About the same distance there. Looks good. And even get wants to go over the hole there. Yep. Alright, let's get us some measurement here. Alright, we got 53 and a quarter. So half of 53 is 26 and a half. 26 and a half. We got 26 and a half. 26 and a half. Be 26 and 5/8. Okay. 26 and 5/8. Okay. Let's see how wide this thing is now. 22 inches. Okay. 11 inches. Okay, so we need to find 11 inches on this back side back here. So right there. Yep. Okay. All right, that'll look good. All right. All right. All right. Got that marked. Okay. So guys, I got the holes marked. So all I need to do now is figure out what size the bolts are, and then get them drilled to get it mounted. Some long bolts. good. Okay. So guys, I bought this cool thing off Amazon the other day. I've always wanted one of them. It's a, as far as tells you what size bolts and different things it is, as far as the nuts and stuff like that. Plus it'll tell you what size drill bit that you need to accommodate it. So I'd say it's going to be a 1/2 inch bolt. Let's see if it'll fit in the 1/2 inch course right here. Nope, 7/16. So it's a 7, well maybe not. Let's see what we got. It's not metric, it's too loose for metric. There we go. Now let's try this part. Oh, that's fine thread, never mind. Yeah, 7/16, 14 coarse threads. She'll fit right in there, look at that. Alright. So I need to drill a 1/2 inch hole. So I need to drill. I need to drill a 1/2 inch hole. But yeah, you can get this on Amazon. It's pretty cool. I've always wanted one of them. I finally bought one. It's so handy if you're trying to figure out if you got a bucket. You know, I've got 2 or 3 boxes full of different bolts and washers and nuts and different things, and you want to know if they're metric or what, you can put it on here, and that way you know for sure. Plus you can figure out exactly what size hole you need to drill for, you know, what size drill bit you need. But I'll be right back. Guys, I'm gonna drill a 1/4 inch pallet hole just so it don't have to mess up anything. I don't know if that'll do it or not. I have to drill a smaller pallet hole. That'll work. This thing's climbing all over the place. That bit ain't very good. I don't want to use my cordless drill. I don't want to burn it up for some reason. Like that will cut. These bits were my dad's. I don't know if they're any good or not. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my God. Are you serious? There we go. That's perfect. Alright, I'm going to put a bolt in it, and I'm going to drill the rest of them. I don't get them screwed up. I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to have to go 1/2 inch on it. That's all there is to it. We're still rolling. Yep, we're rolling. There we go. That'll be better. Oh yeah, be beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and put a bolt in it. Well, come off there and hit somebody. Holes lined up good. Alright, I can go ahead and center punch them, I guess. Can you guys still see me? I'll keep working if you guys can still see me. I think you guys can see me. Guys, here's where we're at so far. So I've got the center holes punched. I've got one hole drilled. I think it's going to be pretty nice. It'll be handy, I know that. Be very handy. Guys, I'll keep working if you guys can see me. We'll have a lot of editing to do on this video. I've been back and forth about 850 times. I edited out some pretty bad language. I was getting this extension cord out for the drill, and of course, you know, when you give it a flip, it come in and hit me in the nose. So I'll make sure I edit that out. We want to keep things PG around here. Although it probably would make for some good video. Guys, like I said, I'm using this 1/2-inch drill just because, well, one thing, it was my dad's, and we worked on a couple jobs together, and just, I don't know, just reminds me of him. That bucket on the shin doesn't feel good. Promise you that. Very heavy duty made. Very heavy duty. You guys ever ran your hand over one of those and cut the crap out of your hand? I have. Oh yeah, it matched up nicely. Very nice. Guys, what do you think? Should I put the bolts up like this? Probably not, huh? Probably need to put them down. I think we better put them down. Try to get in a little bit closer here so you can see what the heck I'm doing. Oh, put a washer on it. I may paint this too. I should have painted maybe underneath of them. Alright, I'll paint it. We don't have any rustage. Matches pretty good though, to be honest with you. Holes lined up good. I'm surprised at that. Usually I don't do very good on that. So I don't. Uh-oh. Oh, it's in there. I left my bolt in here. A lot of extra hardware for some reason. Hope I didn't do something wrong. It's usually not a very good sign when that happens. I didn't get bolts on. I'm in kind of a hurry if you guys can't tell. I don't get much time to do anything. I just got back from vacation. I need to mow the grass. I've got a couple other projects I gotta do. My mill, I'm gonna pick it up Friday. Gotta drive 3 hours to pick it up. Alright, let's go get some tools, get some socket sets, get her tightened up. That helped, guys, at all. Not really on that camera, does it? I can turn it this way. Oh yeah. Wow. Alright. We got her. Alright guys, it got dark on us, but we got it. Let's see what she looks like from behind. Oh yeah, that looks good. Looks real good. Alright. Guys, I'm sorry it didn't go really that good, but it's on there. Well, maybe I'll show you guys how it works here in a couple days. Alright, have a good one, guys. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit better. So I kind of doctored it up a little bit. I got me some clevises on the hooks there and on the D-rings. So, and I found me a hitch to put in and a pin. So this thing's going to be pretty nice. It's built very nice. Went on fairly easy, other than me struggling to get stuff to work with. Everything seems to fit good. This hitch here, it works really well. I have to get me a I think all my trailers have 2-inch balls, so I have to get me a 2-inch ball and put on. But yeah, everything seems to work really well. I imagine you can just pull up, hook your trailer to it, and move it around as you need. So that'll make it nice, or if you have some kind of cart that you'd like to pull or anything like that. But yeah, that's a finished product, guys. I got this off Amazon. I'll see if I can't figure out how to post a link in the comments. This tractor, it's a John Deere 2025R. I'm not sure if the buckets fit like the 1025s. I'm not sure if it's the same size bucket. I'm going to imagine it's very close, but I'm sure you can. It'll tell you exactly what fits what on Amazon. But guys, I just want to show you what the finished product looked like.